So are you looking to make PayPal money without filling out any surveys or doing any offers? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a website that's going to allow you to make money online and getting paid straight to PayPal. Guys, I'm super excited to bring this video to you guys. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how you can start making money online, how you can grow your YouTube channel, and how you can grow your affiliate marketing business. So if you want to learn more, guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing videos almost every single day. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, I do want to show you some income proof here that these guys are paying out. These are some of the screenshots here from their Instagram and the hashtag. If you look up hashtag FuturePoints, which is the website I'm going to show you, but basically you can see here there's payout 1, there's payout 2, another payout here. And people are getting paid out with this company, okay? And they have a ton of followers on Instagram. If you look at their Instagram, they have, I think, over 100,000 followers. So super legit company. So let me show you how it works, okay? So this is the, let me go to it real quick. So if you go to futurepoints.com, you'll be able to sign up for a free account, and basically you can start making money with this website. Now, they do have surveys, they do have offers that you can do, right? But this is not what the video is about. Like, we don't want to do surveys, we don't want to do offers, we just want to start making money with this company. So the best way to do it with these guys is by literally sharing this link right here, okay? So with this link, guys, okay, right here at the bottom left, you're going to be able to get 50% of people's, like, people doing their surveys, people doing offers. You're going to get 50% of that, okay, with this special link down here, okay? And I'll show you how to kind of share it and make money with this link here in a little bit, okay? But I do want to show you here that you can spend your money right here, okay? So you can do Bitcoin, you can do cash, you can do PayPal here. You can get your money out as soon as only $5, okay? And then you can see gift cards. You can get money with gift cards here. And yeah, so there's a ton of ways you can get your money out with this, but I want to show you how to actually make money with this company here, okay? So if you grab this link here, you can start sharing it with your friends and family on Facebook, Instagram. That's an okay way to do it, but you're not going to make that much money because, you know, there's only so many people, you know, right? So what I recommend doing is go to YouTube and make reviews about this company. So you start telling people how they can start making money with it, and you know, if they use your link, then you know they're gonna be able to get access to this website and start making money. And the thing is, guys, once people start signing up with your special link and they start doing surveys, you're gonna get 50% of what they're making. So let's just say you know, they go to this website here and they go to a survey. And they do, you know, these surveys here get 500 points here, and they get, you know, 3,000 points here. You're going to get 50% of their surveys or their points, okay? So it's really powerful. You start getting, you know, 10, 100 people, and you're getting 50% of their stuff without even doing anything. So it becomes really powerful, and you can leverage a ton of people into this system, okay? Now, what I would do is go to YouTube and make a ton of videos. You can see here a lot of these videos are getting tons of views, 6,000 views, 33,000 views, 6,000 views. People are actually looking to use a system like this, okay? Now, if you don't want to get on video, I'll show you a little hack that you can do here. But what you can do is, you know, go to FuturePoints. You can see even 27,000 people are searching that per month. So a lot of people are looking to start this, with this website here, okay? Now, if you go to filter, you can go to Creative Commons, and this is if you don't want to create your own video, okay? So you can go here and you can literally copy these videos and you can re-upload them as your own video, as long as it's a Creative Commons video, okay? So you can see here, it has to be Creative Commons. You can download the video, you can re-upload it to YouTube, and you can put your affiliate link in there, which is this one down here, okay? And once people start signing up, you can start making money with this business, okay? So guys, that is how you would do it, and you can get paid out straight to PayPal. You don't have to do surveys, you don't have to do any offers, anything like that. You can do that if you want to. It just allows you to make more money. But what I would recommend is, like I said, just getting that link out there so you can start making money basically with affiliate marketing. So now I do have a way better way to make money online, guys, and this is how I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job, and I'll show you proof of that here in a second. This is my Facebook here. I just announced it about a week ago that I just quit my job. Okay, so let me show you here. And so right here, I just said, I quit my $80,000 a year job, and I have never felt so free in my entire life, guys. So I worked as an electrical engineer. It was okay. You know, I was making okay money. I didn't have the financial freedom that I wanted. And, you know, I wanted to spend more time with my wife, with my daughter. You can see here, let me zoom out a little bit. But you can see here, me and my wife are at the park with my beautiful daughter. And it was just really nice that I was able to quit my job, and I was able to start my online business. And what I do, guys, is called affiliate marketing. So I actually, so I basically make money by promoting other people's products, and I make money, guys, while I'm sleeping. So it's a passive income business, and anyone can get started. I was able to get started only 9 months ago, and I was able to quit my job. You can see here, you know, for the last 9 months, I was able to do this and quit my job. Here's another post here, just me laying with my daughter here, and we're just having a great time. I just said here, just here enjoying life with my daughter without my full-time job, loving this full-time entrepreneur stuff. So guys, you can definitely do this on the side. A lot of my YouTube videos that I've done in the past, it was all when I had my full-time job as an electrical engineer. So the way you would get started is basically, it's the first link in the description below. It's going to take you through a 15-day challenge to get your business up and started. You're going to have your own mentor, and you're going to be able to get started with this passive income business. Now, like I said, I wouldn't recommend, you know, trading time for money, because at the end of the day, that's just another job, right? So, but the 15-day challenge, which I recommend, it's going to be the first link in the description below. This is one of the income streams here. You can see I did $16,000, but let me show you the actual challenge here. So you can see that it's a 15. Let me log in real quick. It's a 15-day challenge, guys, and basically you get your own mentor, your own coach. You can see here, the first day, you know, you're gonna get 15 days here. The first day is you're going to schedule your one-on-one call with a business plan coach, and they're going to walk you through how to start your online business. And guys, that's how I started. That's how I started making my money online. And I want to show you how, you know, I was able to quit my job and stuff like that. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Like I said, if you don't have any money to invest, definitely use FuturePoints, because you can go to FuturePoints, start making money, pull the money out, but don't spend it, you know, on yourself. Invest in yourself. Invest into a passive income business, something that will pay you back, even if it's not, you know, this business right here that I'm recommending. But this is the business. This is the system that helped me quit my full-time job. So, you know, if you find something else that's better, you know, do it. But basically, I want you to reinvest into yourself, because at the end of the day, no one is going to care more about you and your life than yourself. So anyways, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you thought of this video, and I'm going to be coming out with content almost every single day on how you can, you know, build an online business, how you can start a passive income stream, and how you can, you know, grow your YouTube channel. So if you want to learn more, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be coming out with videos all the time. So anyways, guys, we'll talk to you soon, and have a blessed day.